thou my vision, O Lord of my heart. None be all else to me, save that thou art. Thou my best son, by day or by night, waking or sleeping, thy presence my life. High King of heaven, when victory is won, may I reach heaven's joys, O bright heaven's sun. Heart of my own heart, whatever befall, still be my vision, O ruler of all.
Hi guys, thank you so much for watching our video. I really hope you enjoyed it.
If you did enjoy it, you can subscribe to the channel so that you're notified as soon as we release more of these just like it. And also, let us know if you like this in the comments, because we do read them and we love to hear what you think.
Also, check us out on Facebook and Instagram.
Once again, thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in future projects.